Okay, it's 3 o'clock Central European time, and I would like to open this workshop. Thank you very much for joining this webinar today on the impact of COVID-19 on transport and spatial development. We have here a great selection of presenters, and we're excited to host this webinar today together with Masanobu Ki from the Kagawa University and with Ying Yin from the University of Cambridge. This is a joint seminar between the Special Interest Group SIF F1 on Transport and Spatial Development by the World Conference of Transport Research and AUM. AUM is a conference series that is held at the University of Cambridge and deals with applied urban models. And together we invited for presentations. We got a lot of submissions to present here, so we had to go through the difficult task to make a selection and invite a selected number to present. And this is the program that we put together for today. And we realize that this is not a whole lot of time that we can offer here for discussion. And because of that, we have added here 2 options to engage with the speakers, even though there's not much time to do a discussion in the webinar. So first of all, you can find the program. I'm trying to do this here while I speak. The program, just a sec. The program you can find on this website if you want to follow along, because this page will disappear in just a minute. If you'd like to get in touch with the presenters, you can go to this website. This cannot be found from the outside, but you have now the link to this website where you can find the email address of all presenters, and this will allow you to get in touch with them if we don't have time to address your question today. And last but not least, we have also set up a Facebook discussion group. If you'd like to try this out, you can go on this page and request access, and Masanobu Ki in the background will then grant you access, and this is also an environment where we can have discussion. But without further ado, I would like to hand it over to Professor Mike Betty, who is going to give the keynote lecture today, keynote address. Mike, the floor is all yours.